Okay guys, I gonna give now that I clean all the patio a little bit update because yesterday the video that I made it was kind of like a forest, but if you see everything is doing pretty good. I had my culantro here that is doing much better now that it's not as hot. My peppermint, the bees are doing amazing. I have to this afternoon put my bee suit and check for the honey. I have some of the strawberries still producing, but they very tiny strawberries. But pretty much the roses are blooming right now. I have some orchids. The jasmine still have tons of papaya. The Barbados cherries are producing right now. I still have a few, but I have some iguanas that are eating it. So get out there. They've been breaking the cherries of the tree. I have my dragon fruit giving another flower. My Jamaican flower or roselle or Florida cranberry is back. If you see, they everywhere. So I will make sure to do some jelly to dry some on the sun for the tea. My mint is doing amazing. The butterfly flowers are doing pretty good. It's kind of like a ginger flower. All the desert rose are kind of like about to get flower again. My lemons are doing really good. If you see over there, I just trimmed the mulberry because yesterday when I filmed the video I noticed that it was leaning and it was overgrown. This is my pomegranate plant is doing much better. I growing it kind of like a bush. The guavas are doing really great. Look at this. It's almost the size of my hand. Look, it's really nice. I put those little baggies to protect them from the bugs. But look at the lemongrass, it's massive. This is my loquat, it's doing pretty great. And then the gandules bean plants are doing pretty good as well. My banana is growing, already has some kids. The sweet potatoes, Kiko. And then I still have some eggplants over here. They are still producing. These ones are perennials, so I just cut them down a little bit after the season is over, and they will still producing. My peppers are not looking so good, but they still have some peppers. If you see, like they still trying their best because it's being intensely hot. So I have some more roselle over here. My ginger plant is coming along. Look, the eggplant is still producing. I left some just to dry up in the plant. I'm gonna give to the chicken. My PBs are like these beans. I just neglected because I left on the tree and I didn't pick them. But the ladies are doing pretty good. It's very hot, so I give them some icy lettuce. But they still producing really good amount of eggs. And this is pretty much it. The figs, since that they starting to come along. I have one pumpkin over there. Let's see if it take. But pretty much the patio is doing pretty great. There is Buddy. And it's growing into like a nice little forest.